Hello and welcome to Nighttime Photography. So a while back I created a short reel video showing a quick and easy way to add some color to black and white photos using Photoshop, and I decided I'm going to make a bit of a longer video to go a bit more in depth, and then also showing some mistakes that Photoshop makes during the process and also how to fix them. So this was a photo that I used. So first up, let's clean it up a bit. You can see there's a little spot here that needs to be cleaning. So yeah, so that's quite easy. Go your body size, select your spot healing tool, make sure there on top is content aware, and then we just clean it up a bit. There's a bit of hair that got scanned in as well, fix that. A little spot there on the nose. Alright, looking good. So how to colorize is quite easy. Click on filter on top, select neural filters, wait for a second to load, maybe 5. And then we just select colorize. And there you have it. So there was a before, and there's the after. I always select new layer. If I mess it up again, I can just delete the layer and still have my original picture here. You see there's original, and there's a colorized photo. Alright, let's move on to see some mistakes that I make. Go over to this baby photo. Alright, zoom out a bit. Yep, that's in. Alright, so same process. Let's clean it up first. Spot healing tool. Get that one sorted. Little spot there. Damage to the photo there we can take out. Alright, and there's a little white spot there. Ooh, nope. Make it a bit smaller. Much better. That one there as well. Alright, photo's nice and clean. Just colorize it. Same process. Filter, neural filters. And we select colorize. Okay, so here we see the first mistake. If we zoom here in this area, you can see it missed some of the adding the red color, so to speak. So how do we fix that? Quite easy. Save this one here. Get this picture back. Alright, so let's zoom in a bit. So let's go fixing it. So we're gonna select the brush tool. There on top where it says mode, I'm just gonna select color right here at the bottom. And then by holding the left alt button, it's gonna open up the eyedropper tool, and I'm gonna select the color that I want to paint in or to change this mistake. So I'm gonna use this red. It's a bit gray. There we go. And now it's just a simple method of painting. What I, the reason why I selected color was if I click on here and I drag and I go over to the white, it doesn't change the white. It just changes this dark color. So I can even make a brush a bit bigger, make the job a bit easier. Alright, I'm not going to do the whole picture, just to give you an idea. And I think while I'm doing this, it will be awesome from you to hit that subscribe button and even the like button. I would appreciate that very much. Oops, my bad. So as you can see, it's quite a simple process. Even there on the bottom of this mist, clean that up quickly. So you can just continue this process, doing a bit of coloring in, making sure you get everything. Like I said, I'm not going to do the whole picture, not to waste your time. Alright, moving on to the next picture. It's an old wedding photo. And close this one up. Reduce the mouse. Okay, again, same process. Let's start a quick cleanup process. Clean up. spot healing tool, get that spot out. Could do a bit better job there. Got a bit of scratches here. Fix that quickly. Make this a bit smaller. And that up a bit. Okay, it's got some damage to the photograph here. Some damage here. Okay, I think that looks as good as we can get it for now. It's a rush job. Okay, same process. Gonna click on filter. Go down to neural filters. And select colorize. And there you go. Now, few mistakes here that I've noticed is it brought over the color of the curtains over to the pants here for the suit. We need to fix that. This foot here, yeah, the bottom of the trousers, not colorized, and even it missed the arm of this old lady here, which is actually my grandma resting still. Okay, so how do we fix this? Same as before. Click on the brush tool. Mode is in color, so that is fine. So left alt button again. Select the color you want to use. So you can use this light suit. And then it's just again coloring in the picture. Again, I'm just going to do a quick rush job, give you an idea. See, that's how it's got a bit of a red hue. You can fix that as well. Hey, got a message. This is a bit color here on top. There you go, the suit on this side. Make it a darker color. Okay, moving over to the pants, same. Hold the alt, blah, sorry. Hold down the alt button. Select the pants color. And we're just gonna color that in. Let's rather use that one. So Control Z again. There. Okay, yeah, by the foot. So you see there's a difference in the shading of the leg. So I'm gonna use the back leg as well. Keep it simple. There we go. The arm. So let's think color on top of the neck. And we're just gonna color that in. And there you go. Now if you want to, you can touch up this red hue here as well. Alt, right upper. And get that sorted. And if you want to really, we can even use a spotting tool to remove that wheel of a card or something that popped in there. Alright, we got that sorted. And there you go. There's your picture, colorized and everything. I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, that's it from me. I hope everybody learned something. And yeah, so if you haven't subscribed yet or hit that like button, that's a good opportunity to do that and be awesome. Alright. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Bye bye.